Welcome to day 179 of our BigClout journey. I'm Ed Trastenstein, back at home in Florida with my twin brother, Brian. I'm glad that I'm animated today and I'm not just a picture on a smartphone. So I'm glad to be back. You know, I had a good time in Chicago. It was nice meeting with Doodles. That was like such a coincidence that we just happened to pass each other on the street. And it's like, I just like looked at him like, I know that guy. And I couldn't figure out who it was. And I'm like, I know it's Doodles. And I'm like, hey man, I couldn't like say Doodles, like I couldn't think of it fast enough. I'm like, how's it going? And he's like, Doodles. And we're like, it was great. Like we sat there and chatted for a little bit. And I don't know, like it was just a cool experience. But anyhow, there's a lot of news to talk about today. Ethereum is now integrated in BitClout.
Yeah, we knew it was coming. We knew that they were going to integrate Ethereum into BitClout so that you can buy clout with Ethereum. We didn't know it was going to be this weekend. It happened yesterday. I think it's awesome because now you have 5 million MetaMask that can actually store clout, right? You can actually store clout in the MetaMask. Is that correct?
I am not sure if you can store clout in the MetaMask or not. I know you can.
I believe you buy it, and then I think it can be held in the MetaMask. Somebody can correct us if we're wrong there.
I'm gonna try it.
It really opens up BitClout to pretty much the entire crypto space now. And I think the most important thing about Ethereum is that 95% of NFTs are based on Ethereum. So all these NFT artists can now kind of just easily transition to clout, and there's no gas fees. You're not going to pay $100 to mint an NFT on BitClout, and you can just do it. If you have Ethereum, you can buy clout. You can transfer clout back to Ethereum if you want. So I think it's going to open up the NFT space. We've seen a lot of larger sales go through, especially in the last week within NFTs. So I think this is a huge start, but I think there's a lot more to come, especially this week.
Yeah, and it's not just artists, it's collectors as well. A lot of collectors only own Ethereum just for the sole purpose of buying NFTs. And you know, BigClout comes about, and they have NFTs as well. But the idea that you know these collectors are going to take their Ethereum, exchange it for Bitcoin, which can be a tedious process, and then take that Bitcoin and exchange it for clout in order to buy NFTs on BigClout. I mean, I think that idea it's just too much work, especially for a new platform with new NFTs, and there's all these other awesome Ethereum NFTs already out there. I think it was kind of like an impediment for Ethereum NFT collectors to come on to BigClout. But now, you know, you just sign into BigClout, create your account, and immediately transfer Ethereum into Clout in order to buy an NFT. So it's great for BigClout, it's great for NFTs, and I think it's great for Ethereum in general. It's just, you know, that bridge is needed.
And all those steps you said, you had to do it to go back too. So like if you wanted to transfer your clout back to Ethereum, you had to use it to buy Bitcoin, and then you had to buy Ethereum with Bitcoin. So now you have this direct bridge. It's like you have a direct bridge over a tiny river, whereas before you had to take a bridge and then a tunnel and then a freeway and then maybe a ferry and then get there.
Yeah, so in other news, we have BigClout Kids. We're releasing our, number 4, our 4th trading card in the first series of 5 today. There's going to be a gold version 1 of 1 and a silver 1 of 10, just like the other 3 cards that we released. We're looking forward to that. Follow BigClout Kids and you'll see those when they come out. And probably within an hour or so after this video is posted.
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's probably one of my favorite cards. You might see why. I'll give a hint that it kind of takes us back to like the 1980s video game ecosystem, I guess you could say, and also features a really cool person on BitClout that's kind of showing us why BitClout kind of trumps Twitter in a way.
Very good. And what else? There's one other tidbit of news we wanted to talk about.
Yes, so the other tidbit of news is, of course, CloutCast. And CloutCast, as you all know, they are this ad platform built on top of the blockchain, and they allow people to get paid for reclouding or quote reclouding others' posts and spreading their message. But what Smart Alec and Jason Devlin, the developers behind it, have done is they integrated it within the BitClout code. So, and they want to try and get the main BitClout node to push this out, but they haven't yet. But they created their own node, BitClout.cloutcast.io, and they pushed all these features out. So now CloutCast is actually integrated within the social realm of the platform. And also Nacho Average has integrated it, and I think BitClout is about to integrate it.
Yeah, they're working on it. I spoke to Jason. I spoke to Jason last night, and he said that is coming to BitClout very soon.
That's awesome, and I hope it comes to the main node, because I can tell you, I think that CloutCast really has gotten it. They understand the monetization of BitClout and how people with a following can kind of make money by basically reclouding others' posts. And it goes along with the whole Instagram influencer thing. People are getting paid to basically tout a product, but Instagram's taking a cut sometimes. It depends how it all works. So I think that this is really big for the platform, and I think that if they can integrate it, maybe they don't want to integrate it yet to the main node just because these new UI changes are coming and maybe everything won't function properly. But I think eventually I'd love to see it integrated in the main node, and eventually the main node isn't going to be the main node. Every node is going to be kind of their own node. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. And the final piece of news, there's big news coming on BigClout this week, according to Diamond Hands.
Yes.
What that is, who knows? Like we can't even guess really.
Yeah, there's rumors out there, but I don't even want to weigh in on any of the rumors because they actually have I don't have any proof that any of this is actually going to happen. But what happened was when Diamond Hands announced the Ethereum bridge yesterday, he basically said there's going to be a big announcement this week, and he's super excited. I know I talked to, I had conversations with Fast Freddy. He's super excited about this. I know that a lot of the VCs are excited about what's to come. So I'm looking for something big.
Well, and it's funny because Nigel's actually replied to Diamond Hands and said, "This is huge. This is fuel in the fire about the Ethereum announcement." And Diamond Hands kind of laughed off that comment and said, I think he said LOL, or he laughed. You could tell he was laughing about it. And he said, "No, this is nothing compared to what's coming." So I think we're all pretty excited what this week has in store and what this month and the coming months have in store.
Yeah, the whole crypto market's down this morning. So is the stock market, and that's because of some issues with debt in China. But the clout coin's actually steady. It's been at like $75, $77 all night and all morning. So I guess it's kind of detached from the main crypto market, but I'm guessing that within the next few weeks and months, we're going to see it kind of probably follow the crypto space a little bit better as more people enter the platform, but we'll see.
Yeah, so I think that's about it for day 179. And stay tuned for the BigClout Kids release in about an hour or so. And stay tuned for the huge news coming from BigClout, whatever that's going to be sometime this week. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Maybe we'll have even better news to talk about tomorrow.
I think we might have a special guest tomorrow. We'll see.
Oh, that's right. All right. Well, we will talk to everyone tomorrow.